Ndewonu. Thank you for subscribing to this Teach Igbo Language channel. I promise you, by the time you are through with our lessons here, you will not only speak Igbo language, you will be another teacher of Igbo language. And at the end of the day, you will agree with me that Asụsụ Igbo dị ụtọ, Asụsụ Igbo dị mfe, Asụsụ Igbo ga-adị. Last time, I mentioned to you the phenomenon called Ndakọrịta Ụdaume. That is the consonants in how vowels sound and cooperate with each other in Igbo words. Here are the light vowels, or what you call Ụdaume mfe, A, E, O. By the phenomenon of Ndakọrịta Ụdaume, we mean that these vowels go with one another in Igbo words. For example, Anyị, Ụlọ, Ịchọ, Ịga, Ọkụkọ. You will notice that Anyị, Anyị, A and E, they belong to the Ụdaume mfe. Look at Ụlọ, O, Le, O. You see that O and O, they belong to the same light vowels, Ụdaume mfe. Look at Ọkụkọ, O-K, O-K, O, Ọkụkọ. They all belong to the same family of light vowels, or Ụdaume mfe. Similarly, the heavy group A, E, O, U, Igbo words cooperate. There is consonants. For example, Oche is chair. O-G-A, Oche. Can you see that? O and A, they are there. Obi, O-B-E, chest or heart. Obi is chest or heart. You see that O and E belong to the same family. Epe or orange. A-P-A, Epe. They belong to the same A. Ero, Unere. Okay is rat. Now, you don't necessarily say Oka, Oki, A. You see that A comes from the different vowel group. So it doesn't fit in. Ndakọrịta means the vowels in the light group select and go with one another. However, there are a few exceptions. We're not going to mention that now. But it is good for you to appreciate the phenomenon called Ndakọrịta Ụdaume. That is concord, agreement, consonants that words in this group go together in Igbo words, while words in the other group also go together. I hope you remember the Igbo letters, or mkpụrụ edemede. Mkpụrụ edemede means letters of the alphabet. Mkpụrụ edemede. Mkpụrụ edemede is the same thing as mkpụrụ asụsụ and the same thing as mkpụrụ abidi. So mkpụrụ edemede is a letter like A, E, O, Kwe, Nwe, Nyi, E, Fe. These are all mkpụrụ edemede, which is the same thing as letters of the alphabet. You can also call them mkpụrụ asụsụ or mkpụrụ abidi. Can you spell them correctly? Mkpụrụ edemede is Membe Ore O Eda. Mkpụrụ edemede. Mkpụrụ asụsụ is Membe Ore O Ase O Se O. Mkpụrụ abidi is Membe Ore O A-B-E-E-D-E-E. So note the spellings of these Igbo words and know how to write them correctly. We are interested in teaching you Igbo Izugbe, not necessarily a particular dialect of Igbo language. Igbo Izugbe is the standard Igbo language you will learn from here. You don't just learn how to speak Igbo, you learn how to speak it properly and write it correctly and divide the words correctly. You must not forget there are dots or diacritic marks in words. The phenomenon of ndakọrịta ụdaume will help you decide if a word is going to have a diacritic mark or not. Let me remind you of the letters that have got diacritic marks. That is what we call ndị etinyere kpọm. These are the 4 Igbo letters mkpụrụ edemede ndị etinyere kpọm. That is those that have got diacritic marks. That is to say, I, O, U are ụdaume, mkpụrụ ụdaume. Ng is a consonant or mgbochiume. In Igbo language, words are called mkpụrụ okwu. Say it. Mempi ore o okwi u. Mkpụrụ okwu or words. Examples of mkpụrụ okwu are mụ, gị, anyị, oche, ogologo. I hope you know the meanings of these Igbo words. Me o, mụ, ge, ge, anyị, anyị, ochi, oche, ogi, oli, ogi, o, ogologo, which means long or tall. In line with ndakọrịta ụdaume, suppose you mistakenly wrote anyị, I, without putting the diacritic mark. You see that it doesn't agree. A and E don't belong to the same family. It will certainly take A, so you put the diacritic mark underneath A and spell it as anyị, A. If it is a word like ulo, and you put a diacritic mark under O, it is going to be spelled as O-le-o, not U-li-o, ulo, or O-lo. You won't spell O-le-o. You will spell O-le-o, olo, or house. However, in some Igbo dialects, some people call it ulo, or home, or house. Ulo, they pronounce it and call it ulo. But in Igbo Izugbe, the accepted word is olo, ole-o. So the diacritic marks have to be placed under O and O. But in another dialect like Olo side, they will say O-le-o. It's acceptable to them. It is permissible, but in Igbo Izugbe, the correct ndakọrịta ụdaume word is ole-o. Take note of that. Nkeji asụsụ means parts of speech. Nkeji asụsụ. Ninki eji nkeji. Ase o se o asụsụ, which means parts of speech. I want us to start with verbs, because verbs will help us to make many sentences. Verbs are those words that tell us what is being done or what is done. It can equally mean a state or a condition of something. Alright? Look at this. One of the parts of speech or nkeji asụsụ Igbo we shall learn is ngwa. Ngwa means verbs. There is something we call verb stem. They also show ndakọrịta ụdaume. For example, a verb like icho, ichi, or icho. You can notice that I agrees with O and they belong to the same vowel group. Ụdaume mfe, I and O. Remember, A, E, O, O. Ichi or icho. So if you didn't place a diacritic mark on either I or O, you must have to go back and put the diacritic mark. A word like igosi, a verb, ngwa, igosi means to show. Igosi, you know, gosim, show me. This is a noun, while the other one is a verb. Ingo Enge or engo meaning to drink. Ida, ide meaning to write. I call these verb stems, but grammatically in Nkeji Asusu Igbo, let us officially call them the infinitive forms of the verbs. The infinitive form of ngwa. From it, you can get the tenses, other modifications of the infinitive, and use it to express a meaning in various situations or tenses. But above everything, note that there is agreement in the spellings. Don't forget, to any given general rule, there must be some exceptions. Gradually, you will learn Igbo language and you will speak it, and not only speak it, you are going to be another teacher of Igbo language. Asusu Igbo dị ụtọ, Asusu Igbo dị mfe, Asusu Igbo ga-adị. We are going to expect the next part of this our program. It is coming out very soon, and please help us by subscribing to it and tell others about this channel so that they can take advantage of it and learn Igbo language. Thank you very much.